Hi guys, welcome to Digit.in. Today we'll be reviewing the Mivi Collar Bluetooth headphones, which are priced at 3000 rupees. Now, in the 3000 rupees segment, you get a lot of options to choose from, be it JBL, Sony, or some others. Now we have tested these headphones to see if they stand up to the hype or not. As the name suggests, the Mivi Collar sits subtly on your neck and around the collar and is fairly light. The neckband makes extensive use of plastic and doesn't really feel premium. Both ends of the device are attached with a thin but sturdy wire. A rubberized covering is wrapped around both wires for protecting them from damage, and it also provides cushioning so that the wires don't dig into the back of your neck in case they are accidentally tugged upon. The earbuds are magnetic and snap together securely to stay in place. The micro USB charging port and power buttons are placed on the right of the device along with an LED indicator. The volume control keys can be found on the neckband's left side. It comes with a dual pairing option, which allows you to connect to two devices at once. So, in case you connect it to your laptop and also to your phone, you don't need to disconnect to the laptop in order to answer a call on your phone. This is a very handy feature. The Mivi Collar reconnects with known devices noticeably faster than other Bluetooth earphones we've used. Sometimes the headphones switch off abruptly after they are disconnected from a device. Well, this happened with us once or twice and is certainly not a recurring issue, and we'll know for sure if this is a persistent issue when we use it for a longer amount of time. Getting down to brass tacks, the device's bass is quite spread out, and instruments like the bass guitar and kick drum often blend together without much separation in between. This undercuts the earphone's performance at times due to a limited dynamic range. If you're someone who loves electronic music, the Mivi Collar Bluetooth earphones are unable to deliver that extra oomph in the bass-heavy section of tracks when you need it. The overall aural experience on the Mivi Collar Bluetooth earphones is a bit hollow and the audio feels somewhat compressed. The mid-range is particularly muffled, which is a letdown if you're into music with a more delicate arrangement. Songs like Pink Floyd's Comfortably Numb, Hello by Adele, and similar other tracks where there should be a good amount of resonance is surprisingly lacking. The Mivi Collar headphone also becomes overbearing to listen to, especially if you turn the volume past 70%. The earphone's sound signature seems to be overly bright, making the highs too sharp to bear at times. This can be taxing when one is listening to audio via the earphones for longer durations. We cannot stress the importance of using correctly sized ear tips while using the Mivi Collar Bluetooth earphones, otherwise the passive noise cancellation is rendered useless and the earbuds will keep falling out of your ears. The Mivi Collar promises to deliver up to 10 hours of audio playback on medium volume, and we were able to squeeze around 8 hours of continuous music playback from the headphones with some short calls in between. So in conclusion, these are good headphones, but there are better options out there which you can get at the same price point. These sport good ergonomics, but they lack in audio details and audio clarity. Let us know what you thought about these headphones in the comments, and do like this video and subscribe to our channel.